Hi Zulily fans, it's Amy here at the Seattle headquarters. Today I have some great products for anyone who is looking for a quick weekend project to update their bathrooms. The bathrooms are such a space that we spend so much time in, and I know a lot of people really hate parts of their bathroom but think they have to hire a professional to get those updates that they want. I have some great products available for you today that I have picked out that are quick and easy updates. Everything from quick swaps on your bathroom fixtures to painting the cabinetry inside your bathroom to just switching out the knobs. Right now we're going to take a look at one of the faucets available in the event on Zulily today to make a super quick, easy refresh on your sink. So this faucet is available today on Zulily. It is from a company called PF Waterworks that I found recently to bring to you guys. And one thing that I love about this faucet is that it makes it really easy to do these kinds of DIY projects at home. The hardest part is going to be getting your old faucet off. So you are going to want to take a peek under your sink. So I'm going to take a peek, and you are going to want to get a wrench in there and pull the old faucet off. So you're going to want to get up and under here. That's going to be the hardest part, and you're going to want to get the nuts off of this one. So I removed this one in advance. You can see, looking under the sink here, you're going to want to pull up under here. There are going to be bolts under there, so you're going to want to unscrew those. Once you have those unscrewed, like I have now, you're simply going to lift the old faucet off. So this is the old faucet. And we've got our holes here on the top of the sink. So I'm going to swap this guy out. That's the one we don't want anymore. We want to do a refresh to this new sink faucet. How cute is that? So nice and pretty. So on the underside with this PF Waterworks, it has what's called the quick nut system. So instead of maybe the metal nuts that were on your old faucet, this one has these super easy to screw and unscrew quick nuts. So like I said, super easy. You can do this at home. So we're just going to unscrew those. There is a plastic piece on top and a couple of rubber gaskets. Those are going to stay on top. So hold those in place. We're going to put the new sink faucet through the holes on the top. Looking good already. Love the way this looks. This has a really nice soft touch feel to the handles. And then this great scooped spout. So now that we've got that placed on top, just up and under here, we're going to take those same quick nut bolts. We're going to feel for the thread to catch, and we're just going to screw those on nice and tight. So you can see how I'm doing this without any tools. The only tool that you'll need will be on that removal step. You'll probably need a wrench, just a really simple wrench to get the old bolts off. But once you're putting this new one on, no tools needed. We've got this quick nut system that just threads, and then this really easy to grip system on these, where all I'm doing is using hand leverage to twist this on and tighten it up under my sink. So I'm just using hand pressure to twist this around and secure that nice and tight up and under my sink. So you want to screw that down hand tight. That's all you need. So now we're done. We've swapped out our faucet. So now we've made a simple refresh. Maybe you've got an old faucet that you don't like the metal finish of. Maybe it's a finish that you don't like anymore. You can swap that out in just a couple of hours in your bathroom with a quick and easy refresh. Another product I want to show you guys to make a really super simple, fast, easy refresh is for your drain stop. So these drain stops take a lot of damage down there in the bottom of our sink. We're filling our sink up with stuff. They get kind of grimy. They get dinged up by things falling in there, dropping your toothbrush. So you want to swap that out and make the inside of your sink look just as shiny and new as your new faucet. So this is called the sink strain, and I'll show you why. So not only does this refresh the top of your sink stopper, but it also has a hair catching stopper inside of there. So this will catch, I'll kind of peel it back so you can see, it's got a strainer basket built into the sink stop that will catch hair, and all you will do is pull that off and clean that out, and it will get all of the hair from going down your sink. I'll slide that back on. So this, you'll just want to pull out your old sink stop and just drop this one in. So you'll drop that in, and then you'll have this new, gorgeous, shiny, matching sink stop that also has that hair catching feature inside of it. How great is that? So not only are you beautifying, updating, making things look fresh and new, but you're also adding a feature that will save you time and hassle later from using a snake and getting gunk out of your drains. It's got that hair catching stopper right in there for you. So super simple, quick and easy update to update that sink stop. I hope you guys check out some of these products in the event today. If you are looking to make some really quick and easy weekend warrior projects out of updating your bathroom, you guys can do it. I know you can. Drop me a hey in the comments if you're looking to update your bathroom and you're gonna check out the event today. Maybe pick up a new faucet, maybe pick up a new drain stopper, or something else to make some quick and easy updates. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you guys again next time.